Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into your Xbox/Microsoft account because credit binds to that profile. Make sure email and 2FA work. Next, find the 25-character code on the card or email. Don't scratch it off until you're ready to type. Then open the Microsoft Store app on your console, PC, or the Xbox mobile app, navigate to redeem, and select Enter Code. You do this now, so the funds go to the correct account and avoid mixed balances later. Once the code is entered, confirm what the credit applies to, store balance versus Game Pass or subscription, because application differs. If it's for Game Pass, you may be prompted to convert credit into renewal time. Accept only if you intend to renew. Make sure your account region and currency match the card, since mismatch can block redemption. After redeeming, go to Wallet, then Payment and Billing to verify the updated balance and any pending charges, so you know exactly what's available for purchases. Finally, spend the credit by selecting purchases in the Xbox Store and noting the payment order. Gift card funds apply before other methods. If you want to let family use purchases, set an account as your home Xbox so digital games and subscriptions are shared. Remember, only one home Xbox at a time. If redemption fails, don't panic. Verify the code entered correctly, confirm region and expiration, and check the card isn't damaged. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with proof of purchase for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.